Characteristics of the best outside house paint. Dear friends, not all exterior paint has the same characteristics. To choose the right paint for you, there are a variety of factors you should consider. Hiding power. Hiding power is the ability of the paint to sufficiently cover or conceal the surface where it's applied. Hiding power comes from the paint's pigment and is affected by the manner and thickness of the application. Paint with good hiding power should hide imperfections and old paint jobs. Color retention. Color retention refers to tinted paint only. The paint's ability to maintain its original color during exposure determines its color retention. Chalking resistance. Chalking resistance prevents white chalky powder from forming on the surface and lightening the color of the paint. Chalking occurs over a period of time as the binder slowly degrades. The telltale streaking of paint, chalk rundown, is one consequence of using a paint that isn't chalk resistant. To ensure your paint is chalk resistant, look for paint that has a high content of quality resins. Blister resistance. Blister resistance will keep excessive moisture from coming through the substrate and affecting the paint layer. If paint is applied over a damp or wet surface, you can count on an unwanted blistering problem, so make sure that your surface is completely dry before application. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.